Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop background apps on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down until you find battery and device care setting. So this is the setting and you have to tap on it, and then you can select the memory option right here. Tap on the memory, then just wait for a moment. It's still checking. Then after that, you can click on clean now right here. Okay, and this is the background apps. Just wait until 100%. Okay, and now the background has been stopped by our phone, and actually there is another way to stop the background apps on Android. You can go to your home screen and then you can tap on this recent button on your Android phone. Then you can click on close all right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can stop background apps on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.